Hi, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a t-shirt with our online designer. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to pick a blank product to design on. And I'm going to go with a basic t-shirt. I like this one. I'm going to click Customize. And it loads our designer. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a design. Makes sense. Now up here, I want to point this out, is where you can upload your own designs. If you have clip art or photographs or something on your computer that you want to put on a shirt, you just hit the Browse button, locate it on your computer, and hit Upload. For our purposes, I'm going to go to Stock Designs. We have a lot of categories to choose from. You have a great time browsing through it. But I'm going to go to Animals. Everybody loves animals. And I'm going to scroll down a bit and select Dogs. And everybody likes dogs, unless you're a cat lover, and we got a category for that too. And this guy looks cute. Let's pick him. We get a bigger version of him. It shows the dimensions, and I'm going to go ahead and say select that design. Puts it right on the t-shirt. Notice the gold box on the outside. That's the design area. Whatever you put in that design area is what we can print on a shirt. So I'm going to get our little guy and make him just a little smaller so he's easier to move around. There we go. I think I'd like him a little higher on the shirt, so I'm just going to pull him up. Over here in this area, you can control everything about the design image. I can position it, I can resize it, I can rotate it, I can align it horizontally, vertically, to the center of the page. So I sort of like where he is right now. Let's just make sure he's aligned. And now let's add some text. Text box pops up. I'm going to type in hot dog. And spelling does count, so be careful. I'm going to say add text. Text is generated, and it goes right to the center of a design area. So I'm going to pull it up above the dog image. And I think I'd like to see that a little bigger. So I'm going to resize it a little bit. There we go. And now maybe I want to bring it down just a smidge. There we go. Now I'm not crazy about that font. It's pretty boring. So let's go over to the text options and select font. You have over 50 fonts to choose from, and there's quite an assortment. But I'm going to go with this Alba right here. Say OK. Our text is changed. Now black just isn't doing it for me there, so let's come over here to the text options. And we're going to scroll down, and an entire color palette will pop up. And I'm thinking maybe a nice red would work here. Yeah, I like that. Okay, you know what? I'm going to add another line of text. So I'm going to click Add Text again. Text box pops up, and I'm going to type in for me. And a question mark. Add the text. It's centered again. I'm going to pull it down below the dog. And again, I don't care for that font, so let's go see if we can find that Alba again. There we go. Say OK. And black's still not cutting it. Let's try blue. Yep, I like that. I like it a little bigger though. Give me another one of those. And I want to make sure I've aligned it. There we go. Presto, we're done. We've created a t-shirt with the online designer. Okay. All we have to do is put it in our shopping cart and we're finished. But let me point out a couple other things first. You can zoom in, get a better look at your design. Zoom back out. You can copy it. You can turn the entire design area on and off. You come down, there's a preview area. It brings up a separate box where you can zoom in and out. You can also come down. In here you pick the size and quantities that you want. You can see how it's going to look on a different colored shirt. I like the white. If I wanted to design on the back of the shirt as well, I would just click back under the views and another design area would show up. There we go. That's how you do the back. Same process as the front. Let's go back to the front. We'd click Add to Cart, and we're done. Should you like to, you could save this layout for working on it again later, or you could email it to yourself or someone else. And that's really all there is to it. We have online help if you have questions. We've got an 800 number you can call, or you can email us at questions@tshirtquarters.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.